We learned about validation in this module. There's three parts we have to keep in mind. First, we have to define the rules. In ASP.NET Core, this is typically achieved with data annotations. The default property level annotations like required and max length already offer built-in validation for a lot of common use cases. When required, a custom attribute can be created or the iValidatable object interface can be implemented. For more complex applications, a component like Fluent Validation can be used. Validation rules are mostly defined for input instead of output. If we do that with data annotations, in other words, by annotating properties with these attributes, that's another good reason to use separate DTOs for our different actions. And then we have to check these rules. That is what the model state is for. That is a dictionary containing both the state of the model and model binding validation. We can check its isValid property. But we don't have to manually do that. The API controller attribute takes care of that and will return a 400 BAT request with a problem details object in the response body. And that brings us to reporting these validation errors. The advised status code to use is a 422. How errors should be defined in the response body is up to you, but by default, ASP.NET Core will use the problem details RFC for that, a standard that aims to provide a unified way for reporting API problems. In the upcoming modules, we will cover how to implement often expected functionality of APIs. We will start with filtering and searching.